Yo, what's up guys? It's Piox here, the CryptoPie, and today we're going to be talking about EOS guys, right? And I haven't talked about EOS before, so without further ado, just get into the chart on the daily, right? So EOS started all the way down here guys, and look at where it is right now. So I mean, a simple way to look at this was, if you see this is a one wave, and if you take this then down, you would say to the 1-to-1 ratio is around here, right? This way your next one's gonna land, well, it landed a little higher, almost at the 1.618, which is fine. For your third wave, and then a 4 and then a 5 up, right? So let's just draw that out for now. Let's get the 5 waves here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and perhaps this was a 5 or this was a 5, right? I'm guessing that this was the 5, guys. We'll just take this as the 5, because after that you will get an ABC movement, right? And basically something like this, A, and then you had a stronger B that was higher than the previous one, or the same height if you look at the wicks, right? And then you will get the C wave. So right, and then within this C wave, I'm sure there's 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So and this is I only show you guys this because we counted it now, right guys? We counted it. Okay, it's all correct, right? We counted the whole thing, and the Elliott wave is correct and it's done, so we can get rid of this. So after the ABC guys, we start recounting, right? So let's take a look at the Fibonacci level of where we retrace to. So to this top here, we retrace to like 65, right? 0.618 and 65 here. After that, we bounced back up. So that was definitely the big wave 1, right? So let's take it out. Yeah, let's take it out. So let's take a big 5 waves here. 1. This will be 2. 3, right? Somewhere. 4 and 5. Right, that is something that we're looking at, guys, and I know it sounds crazy and all, but I think we can actually manage to do that. So it will take some time, obviously, but let's take the Fib extension here. This top here, the bottom here, then a 1 point. It's a little bit too high. 1. We'll put it around the same range as the other wave 3, right? And then put this 5 at round about like short wave 5. It's always hard to predict the wave 5, guys. So, and I only draw this out in order to see the bigger picture, right? That's the only reason I draw this out. Because if we look at the smaller picture, guys, there's no trade for us at the moment in EOS. Because let's zoom in on the 4 hour. So what you see here is we're kinda bottoming out, right? So was this 5 waves already? Was this 5 waves? Well, let's take a look. So take the Fibonacci here. Was this a wave 1 and then a 2 to 382 and then a negative? Yeah, so you see this interesting, right guys? Because so this retraced to about the 382, a little lower, and then we hit the negative 236, nearly, almost, right? So algo target reached. So can we like draw it like this? 1, 2, 3, 4. This didn't retrace further than that, so that's a correct 4 and a huge 5. That huge 5 only happened because of some airdrop, guys, so you have to keep that in mind. There is fundamentals as well at play, right? And there was some airdrop with EOS DAC or something like that. So basically they, if you held tokens, you got some coins for free if you held them in your wallet, right? So, and after that, obviously you get the drop. So I can say that that's been 5 waves. Okay, so 5 waves, guys. And let's put this to minute, by the way, and not show these waves for now. And yeah. Oh, I'm an idiot, guys. All right, it's okay. We'll get rid of. There we go. So we had 5 waves up here, okay, guys. So if that was 5 waves, then we're gonna look at where is this. This needs to retrace for 5 waves. So from this bottom here to this top. 38.2 right now, guys. 38.2. Okay, so, but it's not stopping yet, right? I mean, look at it, guys. Okay, so it's trying to bottom out, but it needs to actually blast through. That's why I have an alert set on this, guys. An alert set on this. If we go through, then we're bullish, and I should enter a trade or look to enter a trade, right? For the bigger wave up. But right now we could also just fall to the next floor, right, at the 5, which is it's not uncommon, guys, because remember 1, 2, 3, and then 4 is down here, guys. So 618, actually this spot here is you know, in my opinion, pretty likely, and if not, then we have this spot, right? So just by looking at price action, guys, so we have this here, price action, right, price action, and we have this here. So we really have 2 zones that are like super close to each other. So that's the zones where I will be looking to buy if I wanted to you know, get into EOS before it breaks out. Right now I wouldn't try it, but if it breaks out and it proves me wrong and it closes above it, then you know, I'm good. Then we can look for an entry. So we look at the 1 hour. We need to break this, right, guys? We need to break this. If we don't break this, you know, we're going here. So you know, wait for that, guys. Wait for that. So I would say buying at 8346 or right, or even lower at 8321 at these lows, right? It is a possibility maybe if we don't break to the upside. So you know, that is just something to keep in mind. You know, everyone got their EOS DAC, like I said, from the airdrop. After that, they dumped it, right? So that's how it goes usually with airdrops, guys. But there's nothing wrong with the coin fundamentally. So you know, it will just pick up here again and try to go for that next run. So where's that next run gonna go, right? So if we just take a look at the algo target here, the -236 and 618, that's just something that is likely. So if we take a FIB extension here as well, so we take this low, guys. Remember, this is just in the middle of nowhere, but that doesn't matter. We take this low, we take this high, and let's say it goes down to this level right here, the first one. Okay, this low. Then the 1-to-1 ratio is around here, in between the -236 and -618. So, and the 1.272, we, you know, where's the most confluence? That's what I always think about. Right? Where's the most confluence? Look at this, guys. Yeah, so tight, and this is also really tight. So, potential selling zones for you would be around these areas, right? If we we'll make this red, and we'll have another one. There you go, right there. So that's two zones that you can sell in, guys, and it's likely that we, you know, once we do go back bullish, that we hit one of these zones. But keep in mind that this is also a zone, guys. -236. It just doesn't. I mean, actually, you know, to be very nice about it, we'll put a little zone here, but I think we'll blast through. But still, I'll put it here. You know, for anyone that wants to be conservative, for a conservative target, I mean, it's still a big target, guys. Let's say you buy in here and you sell here. That's still 74%, right? So it's definitely not a bad thing to, you know, put a sell order at, right? Also, remember our 0.3 of the bigger wave is all the way up here, which is also close to this zone, and then the 4 is down here again. So you know, these are good selling zones, okay? This one is very conservative, so sell a tiny bit, right? You sell a tiny bit, just take that little bit of profit if you want. Then if it comes here, you sell a bit more, and here you really start selling. You really start selling because you're nearly at the end of wave 3. You know, that is in my opinion. You know, everyone will have a different opinion on it, but this is just based on the chart. So that is just my view on EOS right now, guys, on EOS Bitcoin. So, you know, we'll target around that 0.0021 area for EOS, guys. That's what we will target for EOS. Like, that's the bigger target, right? And then we have a in-between target of 0.00185 around there, and we'll have a target of 0.00147. This is only just higher than that, but still, like I said, it's still a good percentage gain. Okay, so now just to tell you a little bit about a trade, guys. Let's say you get into a trade, whether it's when it's bullish or if you trade like all the way, you know, you start your position when it's hitting support. After that, guys, and it goes up, you put your stop, right? You move your stop a little bit with the whole market, guys, because Bitcoin is pretty unpredictable, so we don't know what it will do, and it could just wreck you completely, right? So you want to have your stop and then just move it up along the way, so you lock in profit, right? That's your best practice. Now, some you can just leave a break even, and some at profit, right? So if you do get stopped out and it's for nothing, then maybe you will still have some on. But definitely, if you're in profit, and let's say you're in profit for a few hours already, so the price really moved away, then put your stop at break even at least, so you cannot lose money, right? So that's just the best practice that you can go with, and that's just, you know, something I do. So yeah, let's look at the 30-minute here. Yeah, we need to either cross this, or this line will just extend. Look, guys, we can just extend this line, right? Hit that top there, and then just extend it, right? That's all we have to do. We don't even need, you know, I mean, if you want, you can also draw a nice bottom like this, right? But that doesn't matter. I mean, this is all the line we need, because you can put an alert on this. Even if you're free on TradingView, and this is your only alert, because you can have one alert if you're free. You right click and you just add the trend line alert. That's all you do. And as you can see here, I have a lot of alerts. So you know, it's working for me, and it should be working for you as well. I mean, just be patient, guys. Don't just hop in right now and hope for the best. I mean, if you hop right in right now, that's fine with me. But put your stop under the low, which you will risk 3.31%. So, you know, you just need to have a stop. So, I mean, we could break out, could also fall further. Here, if you get in before it's broken out, you have much more chance that it will just either consolidate a little bit, then go up, or go up right away, because there's a lot of support. But here, there was nothing, guys. See, there's nothing here. That's just nothingness here. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Obviously here is also a level, but I don't see that holding too long. Here we have the most price action, right? So just be patient, guys. And EOS does seem like a killer trade, just like Ontology and Neo and a few others. But you know, do your own research as well. You see how I do it, and I'm sure you'll be able to make some killer trades as well. And show me some charts as well, guys. Definitely hop in on my Telegram and show me some charts. So yeah, guys, anyways, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any question, you can ask other people questions. It's just a great chat box to be in, right? So join up with that. Also, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my upcoming videos, also about upcoming ICOs. However, right now we're still a little bit in a bearish market, more bullish almost though. You know, we're getting there, guys. We're getting bullish. That's good. So when we are bullish again, there will be more ICOs posted for sure. and that is because ICOs can make you some nice gains as well as trading. So yeah guys, both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.